Ford Powerstroke engines, ranked worst to best. Link in the description below to the original article. Number 6, 3.0 Powerstroke. The 3.0 Powerstroke is a 3-liter V6 turbodiesel engine with high-pressure common rail fuel injection system and 2 turbochargers. This Ford's brand new engine was introduced in 2018 as the new power unit option for top-selling Ford F-150 pickup trucks to compete with its primary competitor in the segment, the Dodge Ram 1500 with FCA's 3.0L EcoDiesel. Although it was a decent engine, Ford axed the 3.0 Powerstroke in 2021 due to a lack of demand. Number 5, 4.5 Powerstroke. The 4.5-liter Powerstroke diesel is a Ford-branded VT275 turbodiesel designed and manufactured by International Navistar. The engine's design is quite similar to the VT365, or in Ford Super Duty applications, the 6.0 Powerstroke. This engine is found exclusively in Ford LCF and International CF cabover trucks built between 2005 and 2009. It is rated at a peak 200 horsepower and 440 foot-pound of torque and has a dry engine weight of approximately 835 pounds. The 4.5-liter Powerstroke is typically referenced as a scaled-down, V6 sibling of the 6.0 Powerstroke V8. While this does explain many of their similarities, the engines are quite different beyond basic system designs and parts commonality. Looking at the engine and all of its components is minimal. Dimensionally, both engines share a 3.74-inch bore diameter and 4.134-inch stroke length, accommodating an 18.0 to 1 compression ratio. While the 4.5-liter shares a similar HUE injection system, the fuel injectors and oil rail geometries are quite different. Number 4, 6.4 Powerstroke. If there were a problem child in the family of Powerstroke turbodiesel engines, some would say the 6.4-liter was it. This is the engine that was in many ways proved to be the proverbial straw that broke the camel's back. Up until that point, Ford had been happy to collaborate with Navistar on 3 engines because the 7.3-liter Powerstroke had been such a champ. The 6.4 was riddled with lots of issues such as cracked pistons, leaking timing covers, oil dilution, failed emission systems, and much more. In 2011, Ford took a step back and punted a game-winning field goal with its own design for the next-generation 6.7-liter Powerstroke. Number 3, 6.0 Powerstroke. The Ford 6-liter Powerstroke turbodiesel engine was introduced in 2003 and was in production until the 2007 model year. This new smaller displacement version was chock-full of industry-leading and groundbreaking engine diesel technology for the time, but it also had its share of issues that plagued it during its production run. The 6-liter delivered an all-new variable geometry turbocharger to help maximize responsiveness, an exhaust gas recirculation system, and an advanced second-generation fuel injection system. The Ford 6-liter Powerstroke diesel was developed to meet 2004's stricter EPA emission standards, and unfortunately its EGR cooling system was failure-prone from the get-go. A new type of head stud was also used that had a tendency to loosen, leading to head gasket leaks, especially if the engine has been overheated. Reports of high-pressure oil pump failures and cracked coolant bottles are not rare for the 6-liter Powerstroke diesel. Temperature-induced fuel injection control module failures, clogged oil coolers, soot buildup in the turbo, and carbon and sludge buildup on the injectors have also been reported. However, not all 6-liter Powerstrokes are stricken with these difficulties, and strict maintenance regimens can keep most issues from becoming problematic. Number 2, 6.7 Powerstroke. The Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke is the latest chapter in the 3-decade history of the powerful Ford Powerstroke diesel engine line. Introduced for 2011 model year Ford trucks, it's still available for the 2023 Ford Super Duty line and allows the trucks to tow as much as 38,000 pounds depending on configuration. The all-new, state-of-the-art Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel engine features instant start glow plugs, so you no longer have to wait to start the engine until the plugs are hot, a new, lightweight, compacted graphite iron engine block, a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, and piston cooling jets for greater engine durability. A single sequential Honeywell turbocharger on the Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel engine includes a dual compressor turbine that combines the quick response of a small turbo with the high-capacity compression of a large turbo rotor. In addition, the Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke features a high-tech emission control system that includes integrated exhaust gas recirculation, selective catalytic reduction, and a diesel particulate filter. Number 1, 7.3 Powerstroke. The now legendary Ford 7.3-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine was a groundbreaking power plant that revolutionized the diesel truck industry. The Powerstroke engine technology offered Ford truck buyers an all-new waste-gated turbocharger, direct injection, with HEUI fuel injectors, and an air-to-air intercooler. First appearing in Ford Super Duty trucks beginning in the 1994 model year, the 7.3-liter Powerstroke was lauded by diesel truck fans and garnered praise from diesel truck specialty publications for its performance and durability. Widely recognized as one of the top 10 engines ever produced, the Ford 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel gained a reputation for its robust power during its 9-year production run. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.